Glad to be with you today as we get ready for the first snowstorm of this season. We are on Storm Watch this morning. We have Kate Raddatz live in Alexandria. A dream team of meteorologists, Matt Brickman and Kylie Bearse, plus Allie is keeping an eye on the roads. But let's get started with the track of this storm and check in with Matt.
Jason, we are keeping an eye on that storm, which has been developing pretty quickly over the last couple of hours. Still looking at western Minnesota to get hit the hardest here, where we've got that blizzard warning in effect this morning. We're not only going to see heavy rain totals, but some very strong winds gusting up to about 50, maybe even 60 miles an hour. That's going to create whiteout conditions later this morning and maybe some significant snow drifts as well. I want to point out a couple of pockets where we're seeing that heavy snow coming down this morning. Right now, it looks like Hibbing is under the heaviest band of snow there, stretching back towards Grand Rapids, over towards Hill City there as well. Alexandria, where we've got a crew this morning, light snow starting to come down there. It's getting thicker through Morris and Glenwood, down towards Benson and into Brainerd and Wadena as well. Still seeing some rain out ahead of that line, and that's what we'll see first here in the Twin Cities this morning. Expect those showers to pick up around 8 o'clock, transitioning over to snow around midday today, and then that snow really intensifies as we move to the afternoon and into the evening commute tonight with stronger winds and dropping temperatures. We'll have more on the storm, let you know who is expected to get the heaviest total coming up here in just a bit, Allie.
Thank you, Matt. Good morning, everyone. We take you to 94. This is about as far north as our traffic cameras will go. This is just south of St. Cloud. So 94 in this area, right at Opportunity Drive. As you can see, the roads are already looking wet this morning. We do have a couple of accidents on our map, so I do want to take you to those this morning. One along 94. This is 94 westbound, right at exit 229. Then we'll move you over to Forest Lake. This is 35W northbound. I did check the traffic camera here. This one isn't causing delays, and I don't expect it to cause delays this morning. And then this one, 494 westbound, right near the Minneapolis-St. Paul Airport. So already a few accidents on our roads this morning, and then we're going to keep an eye on 94 this morning, more towards St. Cloud, and just see how it's affecting commuters in that area.
All right, Allie, thank you.
Dozens of Minnesota school districts have already decided to close today.
That includes Montevideo, Osakis, Wilmer, and Alexandria, just to name a few.